Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha. I hope so you all are doing well. So basically, I was about to film this video almost a month ago, but I couldn't. And this video is all about what I got from Amazon. So basically मुझे तो वो unboxing वाला video बनाना था, but I'm too much impatient. So I ended up unboxing everything, but I didn't use them till now. So I thought, चलो कर लेते हैं. So firstly, I have this one. It's a heat protectant, and it says that heat protection up to 250 degrees. This I got. I was actually finding the Tresemme one, but it was out of stock, so I got this one. Then I have this micellar water. Again, it's from Garnier and 400 ml wala. Somehow it looks very cute. I love it. Then I have these makeup brushes जिसमें से मैंने आई शेडो वाला ब्रश यूज़ कर लिया है and it also comes with a brush cleaner. This brush cleaner. It's very nice, small, handy. So yeah. Then I have these cotton pads. After that, I also have some wet wipes from Himalaya. So yeah, it says purifying neem facial wipes from Himalaya. Then I have a very exciting and cute thing. I got a very handy mirror that you can take everywhere. So let's see. Firstly, this comes with a charger. You have a charger with it. Best thing. It's chargeable. And then, ta-da! This is a piggy mirror. It's really cute. And it also comes with a fan. And इसके पीछे एक switch है over here. So you open it like this. Wow. Okay, you can see me over there. And then fan is on. So it's really cute. I got it for 150 or something. Like I was like, oh my god, this is something I need to get it because it's just for 150. खैर 150 भी महंगा ही है, but कोई नहीं. It's very cute and you can just take it everywhere. It's very handy. Plus it's chargeable. Battery वाला तो वो battery put करना again. It's a hustle bustle. So this one is chargeable. It's very cute. And then I have a very interesting thing. Actually, things. So I got two sets of earrings, and these all are chunky earrings. I do love wearing these long wala earrings, but sometimes you don't feel like wearing long earrings. At that time, you need chunky earrings. So I have these chunky earrings, and they all are actually, they all come in sets. So, which is this one? Can you see? Then there's one more. This one. All these hoops are something that I love. Then this. Then we have this. So yeah, and there's one more set, and they are so cute. And my absolute favorite. These. Think. Let me just take it out from the packet and show. See, they're so cute. Especially I like this too. This too. This shells. It says love. Okay, so after this, I have one more package, but this one I didn't get from Amazon. I got it from Plum. Like जो Plum का जो app है, वहाँ से मुझे मिला कुछ 100, sorry 100 no, 1700 में combo pack मिला. I got that. And जिसमें से जो shower gel था, I used it. So this combo pack comes like this. So first it has this body mist, vanilla caramel. Well, I didn't use it. मैंने सिर्फ वो शावर जेल यूज़ किया है इसका. It smells like cake. So first it has a body mist. Then we have this body lotion. The smell is really, really nice. And lastly, this one is my favorite. This is a body perfume, and it is also of the same range, vanilla caramel. So yes. Ah, it's so cute. See, see, see. It's really cute. And let's try it. Well, I didn't try because I was quite busy with my studies, so I didn't get time to do all these things. It's really, really nice. And with it, we are done. Actually, that's it. All these were the products that I got, and I was actually waiting to do an unboxing video, but I was too much impatient. I just opened everything, but I didn't use. I only used some of the makeup brushes. So I hope you like the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.